Arutani University-ini ya Egerton, Njoro, kaunti-ini ya Naikuru makoretwo makirengwo micara yao na gicunje kia 40% kuma mweri-ini wa kana mwaka uyu, indi riu maugite ciigana ni ciigana kuria maigite miro yao thi, makiuga urugamiriri wa thukuru ino ndukoretwo kimahe gitumi kiiganu gia kurenga micara yao.
We have come here to resist exploitation. We have come here to resist impunity. We have come here to resist oppression. And we have come here to demand restoration of sanity.
It is only Egerton University dons who are getting 60%. Nobody is getting 60% in the public sector.
MUGOMO uyu ni uthararitie Mihang'o ya mathomo thukuru-ini ino na njira nene. Arutwo aria mabatie guikarira kigeranio kiao kia muthia makirigwo ni wa gwika, amu arutani ao merumite kini na kuga matigocoka wira-ini micara yao itambite gucokio uria yari.
We shall not only launch the strike, but we shall also sustain it until 100% salaries are restored.
It is total paralysis. Total. How many are in agreement that it's total paralysis?
Yeah.
We shall never be divided.
Arutani aya maugite thukuru ino ni ikoretwo igithukirwo kigina ni thirikari gia kumiteithiriria gwitiria moritu maria maumanite na murimo wa COVID-19 na matibatie guthie na mbere na kumahinyiriria na muthingi wa kuga ati kuri na thina wa mbeca.
We call upon the government to move with immediacy and remove the vice chancellor that has caused and wreaked havoc on this institution.
Dons in this country have been misused. You are the cream of this society. Can you imagine that in the public sector, there is nobody who has taken a pay cut? And why are you being cheated to go and work? We say no to this injustice.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwiruri wa Kang'ara.